base classifier. Or in particular, we're going to have a name-based classifier. Alright, so what is this name-based classifier? I believe that I've given these examples to you when I was with you sa discrete structures group, right? So we have solved the particular problem using this particular formula. So there's no excuse that you don't have any problem in this. And from now on, I'm going to inform you that this knowledge will be with you until the end of your career. If you want this field to be your career later on, no? Because this is the foundation of your career in AI, in data analytics, in data science, in machine learning. So, base theorem formula is one of the bases, but when you have this particular example, when you have this particular concept, ibig sabihin you have the foundation. Right? So you have to be very careful in understanding this. Right? So simple lang naman yan, di ba? We have a probability, and this one is a conditional probability. Right? So meron kasi tayong probability na hindi conditional. There's what we call a probability, but there's no condition, and this one is a conditional probability. So kung sinabing conditional probability, the probability of having of something based on another thing, ba? The probability of yes given of a certain circumstance, or in this particular case, circumstances, kasi pwedeng marami, right? So this one is your basic base theorem formula. So you have the probability of A given B is equal to the probability of B given A, baliktad lang, multiplied by the probability of A over the probability of B. So yun lang naman yung pinaka-concept niya, no? So with this particular formula, you can solve a particular problem like this one. Like you have this, no? Problem number 1. I believe nakalimutan ko yata yung isa dyan. What is the probability of a patient having liver disease if they are alcoholic, given that 10% of the patients are suffering from liver disease? Something like that. And also, something like this, no? What is the probability of a dangerous fire when there is smoke? So kung meron pa nakitang smoke, ano pa ang probability na magkakaroon ng fire? Right? Given that dangerous fire are very rare at 1%, but smoke is fairly common around 10% due to barbecues or whatever, right? And 90% of dangerous fires make smoke. So ang tanong, ano ba ang probability na magkaroon ng dangerous fire given that there is smoke, right? So with the base theorem or base formula, you can solve the probability, right? Just like what we have before, no? The probability is in base theorem does not only conform with something like, okay, percentage. Say for example, 50% start, so that's around 50% na magkakaroon siya ng fire. Diba? So that's basic statistics. But we're not into that. Okay, we are into more something like a base theorem. So in base theorem, iba yung kanya approach. Right? So yun, the basis of name-based classifier is the base theorem. So from now on, may mga lectures tayo na magbalik tayo sa base theorem. Right? So as we go along, ang mga lectures natin will tackle and will go back to base theorem. That's why you have to find time to understand this particular thing. So this is your base classifier. So we are going to arrange base classifier. So doon sa ating base theorem kanina, we only are solving a simple particular problem. And in this particular case, we're going to solve a more difficult problem. No? And in this particular case, we're going to again refer to the base theorem. And that is the name case. Why it's called name case? Because it's basically on the base theorem also. Right? And because, and why is it named? Because, ano yan? Because it assumes that all variables are independent of each other. Hindi siya somehow treated as talagang may relationship. Walang ganon. That's why it's called name-based classifier. Right? So the name-based classifier formula looks like this. Okay, the name-based classifier formula looks like this. So you have your, again, the probability of A given B equal to yun. Yun na nga yung ating kanina. No? So the probability of A, B given A, multiplied by the probability of A, all over the probability of B. That's the basic formula. No? Now if you're going to transform it into something, given that ang variables natin are y and x, so you can have your probability of y given x, and probability of x given y multiplied by probability of y over the probability of x. Right? Where x, eto siya, your x1, x2, x3, x4. Now this time, you are looking for something like a more, something like there are more data. Other than dun sa unang example natin kanina, or example natin kanina, naiinisa lang yung isi-solve mo. Like yung fire lang, probability of fire. Given na meron siyang ganun na mga given values. Dito, marami siyang values, marami siyang given. So, these are the formulas, but of course, the very formula of this is this particular case. So, pinakababa, no? So, as you can observe, x is equal to the x1, x2, x3, x4. So, if you are into data science later on, or data analytics, x are your features. Okay? So, these are what's called features. So, what are features? Later on, kita natin yun. No? So, ibig sabihin nga, the probability of x, the probability of y, given that ito yung mga features, diba? Is equal to the probability of y, the probability of x1 given y multiplied by the probability of x2 given y multiplied by the hanggang sa xn given y, then multiplied by the probability of y. Alright? As you can observe, multiplication yan. Diba? Diba? All over the probability of x1, x2, hanggang xn. So, sa derivation ng formula niya, the derivation of the name-based formula is gano'n. But the final formula for the name-based is like this. Right? So, paano yung basahin? So, again, the probability of y, given your features, x here, okay, is equal to the probability of y. Anong pagtawag nito?
Sitaw ka na.
First time, kita? Nakita na dati.
Check tawag ka na.
Start pa rin to. Di ba meron tayo
Multiplication, wala?
something like that, right? And this one is for multiplication. So this one is for sum, and that one is for the product, right? So you have this one as your sum, right? From I is equal to 1 to n, something like that. So when you have something like this, where I is equal to 1 to n, is your product. So when you say product, that means you're going to use a multiplication, right? Right? So yun. So yung similar nito is that the probability of y, probability of y is equal to the product of the probability of xi given y. Right? So anong ibig sabihin nito? Ito lang siya sa taas. What? Yan lang siya sa taas. Ito, umitin mo na sa baba. Ito lang sa taas. Right? Kung maintindihan niyo yan, this one actually is this particular case. Okay? Just going to get the sum of those probabilities. Right? So, yun lang yung pinaka-formula na name-based. Okay? So again, once again, why am I discussing these formulas to you? Well, of course, because you are in computer science, and you need to have that foundation, you need to go through that dirty things like this one.
Game
right?
developer.
So, paano yan siya gamitin
Game developer.
at paano siya mag-solve ng data. Okay. So for example, ito yung data natin. Okay? So we are given this particular data.
Tago sa game developer.
Ah.
RPS din.
Okay. So we are given this particular data. As you can observe, that data, meron tayo maraming features. Alright? So there are a lot of features. And as you can observe, meron tayo isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat na features. You can have outlook, temperature, humidity, and mixed. Ano yung ibig sabihin yan? Ang ibig sabihin yan is that, halimbawa, mag-play ka ba ng golf or hindi? As you can observe, correct? Now, if you're going to look at the data and understand the data itself, and you can see there, at the farmost right side, you can have there the play golf. And on the play golf, either yes or no. Right? Now, ibig sabihin, when you are going to look at that one, now, if it is rainy, if it is hot, and if it is high in humidity, and windy, ano ibig sabihin yun? No. So you are not going to play golf. Correct? So done? Alright, again. Now if the outlook is rainy, and the temperature is hot, and the humidity is high, and the wind is true, or there's a wind, low pa rin siya. You cannot play golf. Correct? And the last one, the third one, as you can observe, on the outlook is overcast. Okay, hindi siya rainy, overcast siya. Diba? Then, ang temperature is hot. Okay? Now, the humidity is high, but there's no wind. Okay? So dahil walang wind at walang ulan, pwede kang mag-play ng golf. Tama? Tama? So yun lang ibig sabihin nun. So in this particular case, tanungin natin ang data na, based on the data, tanungin natin, pwede ba tayo mag-play ng golf o hindi? Given this particular data. Right? So in this particular case, marami tayong kailangan i-consider. So as you can observe also, marami ding values in outlook. As you can see, si outlook, mayroong rainy, mayroong overcast, may sunny, and rainy, sunny, overcast, tatlo. So you have your temperature hot and mild, cool, and humidity high, normal, and high lang, normal. Then humidity you have your true and false, right? So how are we going to do that? How are we going to have this particular data? Na-solve using this particular formula. Paano yan? Paano natin gawin yan? Paano yan siya? So solve. Right? So with that, of course, we're going to dissect the particular table or the data that we have. Alright? So again, back to this one. As you can observe, yung mga X dyan are your features. Your X are your features like outlook, temperature, humidity, and windy are your features. The rightmost one is yung decision mo kung mag-play ka ba ng golf o hindi. Right? So again, so we have in the regression model, the regression model is a dependent variable, independent variable, right? Now, the dependent variable there in this particular case is the rightmost one, whether you're going to play golf or not. Right? And all other else are the independent variable. Right? So, given that, and given again your last formula for the database classifier, gagawa tayo ngayon ng paraan paano siya mag-compute ng ating tawag ito, ng ating data. Right? Now, this is what you call the data preparation. So, madali tayo. So, you can observe, given this particular data, you are going to dissect it and get the probabilities. What? Get the probabilities. So what are the probabilities on this particular case? As you can observe, on this particular case, you can have the outlook. Now that's your X1. What? Temperature is your X2. So done. Humidity is your X3. And wind is your X4. So that's what you call your features. And if you are going to go back here, you have your X1, X2, X3, X4. Paano nyo?
Yes.
Okay, good. As you can observe also that when you go to this particular excess in yung mga features, you're going to get the probability. Right? Probabilities. So the product of these probabilities are actually this particular table. Right? So, sorry. So now let's say, now for the outlook, and as you can observe, isa-isahin natin. Before we can go there, let's try to dissect it na tayo lang talaga mag-dissect. Right? So, for example, we have outlook. So, for example, we have outlook here. Outlook. So, according to the outlook, according to our data, we have how many values for the outlook?
14. 14.
For the values, sorry, values pang tawag to. Type of value. Tatlo. Okay, so we have here tatlo. So you can have here something like tatlo. We have values. Yes. No. And the probability. Okay. That one. Then say something like values. And then you can have your yes. And the probability of yes, yes. And the probability of C. Then the first one, the first value would be the raining. Raining. Then the second value would be
Overcast.
sunny. And the third value would be overcast. Okay? So in this particular case, let's going to apply, and this one is what we call a total. Okay? So in this particular case, we're going to apply what we call the probabilities. Alright? So let's take a look at the table na ginawa na muna. Okay? So as you can observe, baliktad lang, rainy yung, okay, pinakauna natin is rainy, sunny, overcast. Pero okay lang yan. So, as you can observe, the probability of it being rainy is ilan? Ay. Hindi pala the probability, kundi yung value. Right? The value of it na maging rainy is ilan? Okay, ganito. Rainy na yes ang play golf niya. Ako niyo, the probability of rainy
Yes.
nag-play siya ng golf. Correct? 2. Right?
One,
So
two.
1, 2. That is
Three.
yes.
4.
Correct? So
Five.
rainy, no one
2 over 5.
Saan yung rainy pa dyan na isa? 9. At 8. Okay, so that's 1. Ano pang isa? 10. Okay, so that's 2.
2.
Nakuha ninyo? That's the probabilities. Alright, so we have rainy na no. 2.
2,
So,
3,
number 1, 0 and
3,
0, 1 and
3.
7. So that is 3. Right? Kuha? Kasundan.
Yes.
Now, what about sunny? Sunny, that is
2, 3,
sunny na yes. So
Three.
that's 3, 4, dalawa lang?
Number 9.
Nine pa. So that is
3,
ang no.
1,
Ha?
1,
Ang no.
2. 2.
5 and
13.
that is 2. Now, what about the overcast?
wala nang pambuhat.
Overcast na yes, it is
Wala nang
1, 2, 3, 4. 4,
nakapasa
right?
na sila dito.
Yes. Then, ang overcast na no, meron ba? 0. Right?
Sasa.
Okay, let's check.
Masasa.
Check. Tama tayo.
Sila. Ito pang paano mo?
So, as you can observe,
Okay, ba yan?
this one,
Tuwa ba
as you can observe this one, anong sabi sabi niya, that's good. Tama tayo. So rainy, that is 3. Baliktad yata yung ating ginawa. Hindi, kasi rainy is dapat 3. Tama ba? Tama ba yung ginawa natin kanina? Check na natin yan. Sunny, that's 2. O, baliktad din. Ha?
Tama to.
Baliktad. Aha, yes, let's check mamaya. As you can observe, si Sunny, yes, that's si Rainy, yes, that's 3, dito, 2. Tama no?
Yes.
Then si Rainy, no, 2 dyan, 3 dito. Okay, let's go back. Let's just check. Ano, Rainy, that's yes, 1, 2, Rainy is yes, 1, yes, 2. Tama yan. So tama itong natin, right? Ligtad yung isa. Then ang no, ilan?
2, 3,
Rainy. So 0, 1,
7.
and 7. So 3. Correct no? Right. Nice. So Sunny. So yes. That is 1, 2, 3. Okay, si Sunny is 3. Then, ang no to Sunny is 5 and 13. So, dalawa lang, tama. So, si Overcast, 4 and 0. Right? So, yun. Let's go the total. Tingnan natin si total. So, yes, that's 2, 3, 5, that's 9. And this one is 5. Alright, so, yeah. Now, let's check again kung tama yung direction natin. Pero parang hindi natin yung direction dyan. No? Alright, so, yun lang. Mali yung direction dyan. Okay.
2, 3.
So, sige. So, let's try. Now, as you can observe, ang data natin is that what is the probability of raining given yes, that is 2. What's the probability of raining given no? What is 2? That is true. Correct? Now, as you can observe, the probability of it being yes, sun on the raining, that means you have 2. That is 2 over 9 because you have your total 9. Right? So this is 2 over 9. Right? So what about the no? That is no. That's 3 over 5. Because, again, this is your
No.
no. What? So done? Now this one, if you're going to total this one is 14 also. Right? And you have your 14 data. Okay? So dito, ganun din. So, Sunny, the probability of it is
3 of
Sunny,
9.
3 over
9.
9. This one,
2, 5.
over 5. And this one, 4 over 9. And this one,
0 over 5.
5. And as you can observe, total mo lahat to, ilan to?
9 over 9.
So this is 9 over 9 or
100%.
So you can have here what 9 over 9 or equal to 103. And also this one, ilan? 5 over 5.
Okay. Ay, tulog ko.
So you have now your table for that first, for your x1. Done? Now again,
Wala ka yes.
Ha?
for your
Ang Sunny kayo nag-yes out of 90 yes.
Ay, out of 9 sa Sunny. Yes, duha.
so for your temperature, ganun din ang gagawin natin.
So
You
sa
have values,
Sa total lang.
you have yes, you have no,
5 to book no tanan.
and you have this one.
Yeah, di mo.
no tanan sa tipo ko.
Ilan ba yan? Dalawa, tatlo. Tatlo rin? Tatlo. So you have your total. Then you have your
Yun sa yung
yes.
ipalit ko ng chicks to. Ipalit ko ng doctor.
Right? So our temperature sure, ang values niya would be hot.
Dali, dali.
Dinadalhin tayo.
Kabala ka daan.
Then you have,
1 week naman.
right? So,
1 week.
balik natin. Baka lumipad na naman yung kanya.
Good. 2 weeks.
Ito.
May 1 week na yun.
Yan.
Nagkita ka
So,
sila.
sa
Nagkita ka sila.
temperature, ang hot.
Sila sa
Ano ba yung hot natin? So, in terms of yes, ang hot is dalawa sa number 2 and
paper.
2. Ang no, for the temperature,
Paper lang.
hot, 1,
Ha?
2,
Pakuha na ako to. Taas mo dapat to.
then,
Ako nga.
then, sa mild,
Pandili lang masamok sa mata.
sa yes. So, 1,
Umali. Tawad.
3, tama? 4.
Dito ka.
Taas mo doon.
Sa no,
Dito ka pagkapit. Dito.
1. Tama na. Okay, next, sa cool.
Wala na. Yan, tapos.
Sa cool,
Nagari ka.
sa yes, ng cool, this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, okay, 3. Sa no, that's 1. Right?
1.
Tama?
Sa 5.
Okay, so total again, that this is 3 plus 4
7. 9.
plus 2, that is
9.
9. This one,
4.
2 plus 1 plus
4.
1 is 4. Are you sure? Kulang tayo.
Mild po, sir.
Kulang tayo. Ha?
Mild, sir.
Duha ka bok
Ang
na.
man, ano? 2. Sa no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 plus 1 is 5. Alright? 1. Now again, you're going to have something like this one, 2 over
9.
9. And no is 2 over 5. This one is 4 over 9. This one is 2 over 5. This one is 3 over 9. And this one over 1 over 5. And then,
9 over 9. 100.
you have something like 9 over 9 again. This is 100%. And 5 over 5. This is 100%.
100%.
So, meron na ng outlook, meron ng temperature. So, let's say ito yung X1. This is your X2. Now, you're going to solve for the X3. So, ang X3 is humidity. Right?
Humidity terms.
Right? So, ganun pa rin. As you can observe, ganun lang yung ating direction. Right? So, hindi siya ganun kahirap. Okay?
Yung exam lang.
Right? So, that's
Uy,
right.
sa akin.
Yan yung values niya. So, dalawa lang.
Hi.
Sana lang to. Okay, so values.
Yes. No.
Yes. Okay, so anong value?
High o normal.
And right? Now, sa high and yes. So high siya and then take out yes. Ano man?
1, 2,
That's high and yes.
3.
1,
3.
Okay, 3. Right? So sa no, it is
2, 4, 5. 5.
4. Normal? Normal?
4 day. Ay, 4 day.
Normal, yes.
Yes, day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Then this one,
1. 1.
or 1.
1.
Right, this one is 9.
5.
You have your 3 over
9. 69.
Okay, so 4 over 9. And then
69.
1 over 5. And total is 1 is 9.
9 over 9.
Over 9, and 1 to 1 is 8. 5 over 5 is 1 to 1.
Okay.
Right? So, Next one, next to X3. Now let's try to have the X score. So we have
Wendy.
Again, this is X4. Now build the Wendy form. Add A4, sorry. So this one would be
Doon lang.
values. Yes. No. Number of years. No. Values.
Okay.
Yes, yes. No. Probability of yes. Probability of. Right? So, dalawa lang din. Right? So, you have your total here. Now, for the true and false. So, for the true na yes. Wala. Three. Sure. Then, for the true na no. That is 3 pa rin? For the no.
3.
For the false pala. False na no. So, false na no. That's 1.
Ah?
Two lang.
Ay, sorry.
False na no.
Sa true na no pala. Sa true na no.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. So, this is 6 and this is 2. Right? Tama tayo ah. 1, 6. So, with that, you have 9 again, you have 5. And this one is 3 over 9. This is 3 over 5. And 6 over 9. And 2 over 5. Then you have 9 over 9. 5 over 5. Alright, so, ayan, nabito natin si table. Now, the last table that we're going to build, of course, is the last feature, no? So, this one is your Y. Sabihin natin your triangle is your Y, right? So, in this particular case, again, we're going to build it. So, with that, ang pag-build natin sa kanya iba, no? Different from the other one. So, as you can observe, ang build natin sa kanya is ganito lang. So, as you can observe, plain lang at saka yes, yes, no. So, as you can see, you can have here your values, say plain, and your probability of having it yes and no, right? So, then, you can have here yes, and then probability of yes. Alright, so yes, and your okay? So, total again. So, sa yes, ilan ba yung yes dyan nakalagay? Yes. Ilan ba yung yes dyan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? 9 ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Si no. Ilan ba? 5. And total is 14. Right? Now the probability of yes, that is 9 over 14. Right? The probability of no is 5 over 14. Okay. Yeah. Then 5, the probability of no, even yes, you have 5 over 14. And the probability of no, even no, is ilan? Ba?
At sa'yo siya sa windy, bisag doha lang.
9 over 14.
Sorry. Ano pala siya probability? Yeah, because there's no more yes or no here. Ganun lang.
Gidivide na siya.
Either yes, probability of yes, or divide no. Probability of
Nor.
okay. So, again, the total is 14 over 14 equal to 100. Alright, so yeah. done. Now, we have this one already. Now, ano ba pwede natin gawin dyan? Right? To solve a particular problem. Now, in this particular case, as you can observe, nagawa natin yung table na to, but ano ba yung problem natin na pwedeng i-solve? Right? So, doon tayo na isang problem na pwedeng i-solve. Okay, the problem would be something like, okay, given, okay, so you have this particular problem, number 1, right? Okay, given that you have something like a outlook, or sabihin natin, X1. Ang ganyang value is sabihin natin na sunny. Okay? Now, temperature X2 is equal to cool. And you have your X3 equal to sabihin natin na normal, right? And then, the wind, which is your X4, equal to sabihin natin na cold. Ngayon, ang tanong, what are you going to play go?
Probability of y given x.
Right? So the problem is, okay, now given, ang panahon ngayon is outlook, sunny, temperature, cool yung temperature, humidity is normal, ang windy is false. Ang tanong, maglaro ka ba ng golf?
Yes.
Probably, you're going to say yes. Kasi lahat na ito halos wala siyang problema, di ba, no? Okay, so let's try and solve for this one. Because if you're going to look at this, yes, of course, no? Pwede. But how are we going to prove that one? Na talaga mag-play tayo ng golf. Okay? So we're going to use a name-based classifier. So in this particular case, we need to apply this one. Okay, so we need to apply this one. Yung pinaka-last na nga, ito pinaka-last. Okay, sa pinaka-last kasi, yung sabihin niya is that your y, this one, y, diba? Your y is equal to the product of xi, okay, multiplied by y, okay? So ano ba yung probability natin kanina? What's the probability kanina? The probability of like y given x is equal to the probability of x given y multiplied by the
Probability of y.
y. Right? All over probability of x. Diba? That's the probability theorem. Right? So now, we are going to use this particular formula, especially this one, in that particular case, ito lang sa taas muna. Right? So, since you have your x1 here, then you're going to also have some x2,
Ay.
So that, okay, so ito lang yan. Y is equals to, so this one is your y. Right? So the probability of
Y.
Your y is equal to the probability of y given x1 multiplied by x2 multiplied by x3 multiplied by x4. And then, so ang formula mo is x1 y multiplied by probability of x2 y probability of x3 y nagtatawag dito probability of x4 y given y
Probability of y.
multiplied by the probability of
Y.
probability of
Y.
y. Okay? Nasa land? So given the probability of y, as you can see dito sa ating formula ito, the probability of y multiplied by the product of this person. What? This is the probability of y. Nasa daan? Good. Now let's try to solve for this one. Now, answer y. Are you going to take over na? So as you can see, sabihin natin, okay. So, are you going to say something like, something like, it is sunny?
57. 57.
So, ano ba ang probability niya?
Ano nang rank mo?
Ano ba ang probability?
Sa... Ito sa
Nine yes. Okay, so let's
Everton
go
lang.
for the yes.
Para mabilis.
Dalawa lang man yun, diba? Sa take-off, are you going to
Tapos
play
ganun,
or
meron.
not? Right? So let's get to solve for the yes.
Makalaban niya, master.
Yes.
Mga diamond. Okay mo na?
Yes.
Mga diamond.
So y is equal to,
Master.
sundin na natin
Asan sa
yung
master?
formula natin.
Grandmaster.
So the probability of x1
Tapos yung
given
grid.
yes.
Ano yun?
The probability of x1 given yes, yung x1 is sunny,
Tapos
correct?
ano, calendar.
Given yes. The probability
Anong
yes.
pinakamalayo mo sa rank?
Sa
From
ending.
over 9.
Gold.
So 9.
Gold na din ako.
Gold.
3 over 9. And then,
Cyberroll, ano, purple
multiply
tier.
by,
Hindi ako masyadong hyper-roll nung set lens.
the probability of
Kailangan
x2. Yung x2 is cool. And given yes. Okay, cool, given yes. Yes, the probability is 3 over 9 correct. So that is 3 over 9. And then, next one, x3 is normal, correct? Normal? Ito, normal. Given yes. The probability is 6 over 9. And then the last one, which will be, which is false. This, the probability is, even yes, 6 over 9 pa rin.
Ay, hirap na, hindi ko.
Multiplied by the probability of y. What's the probability of y? Even yes?
9
That is
over
9 over
14.
14. That is
So, ang
9 over
ang y kay 9.
Now, to make
Why?
it more
Ah,
clear, you can have
Yes.
this one bracketed para mas klaro. No? Because this one is probably separated. It's like what you have there. Unahin mo yan bago mo i-multiply ito. So, done? Okay, so with that, ano yung sagot natin sa yes? So, this is multiplication, so that is, well yan, 3 times 3 times 6 times 6 is, ano ba yan? Enough? Or you can just do it decimal places.
Pila.
So, probability sa x1.
Go guys.
Asa
Kasali mo
na?
ito na, kasali na ito.
Outlook, sunny.
Okay, says, unahin mo ha, para just right? Sige daw, kaya natin kung ano yung difference. Kung wala sa difference, okay lang. So, ilan? That's for the yes.
Isa man. Isa man sabdan.
Sabot ako. 9 over 14. Pero paano saan mo siya makuha? What?
Ha?
Anong 9 over 14?
Oh. Kung man imong Y sa play go up sa imong yes.
Y ang play golf.
Sino ba?
Probability of Y.
Anong yes?
What gani?
Anong yes mo?
Ganang yes gani?
Anong yes? Bakit yes?
Di ba lang bakit sa yes yung...
Ha?
Depende ko rin yes or no. Duha ra may probability. Sa yes yung ginasolve. Either
So, pili na ka sa duwa.
kung solve nimo ang no, kung 33% ang nabili na mo itong yes.
So kung amora di gapon.
Minus na nimo.
Sige, 3 divided by 9. Ilan? This one, 3 divided by 9. Guys, 3 divided by 9.
33.3. 0.33.
Times 0 point.
Bila. 0.30317.
0 point.
Mini. I-bracket pa doon dito. Separate. Lah.
Sige nga, yan. Sundin na lang siguro siya. Ha?
Same lang man?
Correct yan? Gawin natin na 3 decimal to is 6. Kasi minsan yung probability is medyo ay 4. 4 is my 4. So 031.
317.
Gawin na lang natin 4 para medyo accurate. Now, this is for the yes. Right? Now, what you know?
Lo.
Okay, why?
Wala pala yung divide.
Again, for the no.
Divide sa...
Okay?
Divide x.
So for the no, x1, what sun, probability of sun
Divide ba, diba?
Ay, di divide na lang. Ano lang.
Summation lang.
Kasi katong sa ano, katong sa last doon.
Times,
Ano nalimutan ni sir? As na. Kaya mo gano'n? Bro, yung inform niya, nag-set up niya doon kaya walang division.
So, 6 over 5.
So na, ang x1 is,
Okay. Now, bracket it.
ang x1 is 3.
Multiply
Yun ay
by
divide.
probability of y. No. Probability of no. That is 5 over. Alright. Let's try.
Yun ay divide.
Dili, divide na.
Ay, tama deh. Ala,
Divide, hindi ako na.
wala ang gapoy boy. Ay, parang wala ang gapoy. Sama na, sundog ni. So, next to, natin next life ba?
So yes, ang probability niya is ito. Correct? Done? Done. Saan ang probability niya is ito? Now, you're going to compare the two. Sino ba yung pinakamataas?
Yes.
You're going to play golf. That's another combination of pictures. Right? So that's another X. So this would be walay konta. Mayaman o hindi? Yes or no? So X5. Right? Now the thing is, okay, so the thing is, ang mangyayari sa inyo, ganito. Pagka halimbawa, bigyan data na meron ganon, okay? Makinig mo na. Mamaya na yan. You will have time for that. Pag meron kang data na ganito, say for example ganyan, eto kasi sample data lang yan. You have only 14 rows. Now if you have
What the code?
1,000 rows,
Code.
so this one, diba?
Python. Python.
Or other than that, you have 10 or 20 excess or features. Now, hindi yan siya malabo kasi itong ginagawa natin, this is only fictitious, meaning we are only giving you a sample.
Sample.
But in the real world problem, maliit yan. Walang nag-exist na ganyan. Okay? Ang nag-exist yung malahaba, malalaki na talaga yung problem. Okay? So that's why, it's your training today, starting today, na gumagawa ng ganyan because later on, you'll be given a very large amount of data, at least alam niyo paano siya. Right? This one is the one-on-one one. But of course, there is a shortcut for that when you do programming. And we'll have to do that later on. We have to solve for it. Okay. Diba? So that's good. Now, ito siya, nagsasimulate din yun siya kung anong mangyayari. Talaga. Right? So probably, ito, given your data, alam mo, by using this particular formula and this particular computation, na talagang mangyayari yan at hindi. Gaano ba kalaki ang percentage na mangyayari at gaano kalaki ang percentage niya na hindi mangyayari. Kuha niyo? So hindi pa nangyayari yung bagay na yan, alam mo na kagad ano yung mangyayari. Diba? So you are now into something like
Lumay pala. Di pa kaya.
right? Question. Diba madali lang? Good.
kabalo ka mag-implement
Madali
o
lang yan.
algorithm sa
Actually, there's far more exciting ones
Dili pa.
later on. Okay? Ito exciting pa hindi. Far more exciting ones
Iba na
later
ka.
on. Right?
Iba na ka.
Anyway, so this one, question.
na
Question?
wala na sir.
Okay, so get one.
Assignment daw sir.
Okay, sige. So, ito na lang. Since you don't have any papel, whatever, so I'm giving you this one as your assignment na lang. Mag-quiz sana tayo, kaso ayaw nyo man.
Si sir na agad dyan. Nakabuo.
Okay guys, makinig muna dito. Okay, so as request, sige, bigyan nyo muna kayo na problem na susolve ninyo. But the time that we meet again, I'm going to give you a quiz.
Yes, sir.
So, ang grade din nyo, hindi ko pa ma-post doon sa YouTube. Kasi wala pa talaga tayong studies. Alright? So, I need to have that one for your grade. Alright? Now, given this, dalawa yan, your quiz will be also based on this one. Eto lang. Right? So I'll be giving you about 30 minutes to solve this, your quiz, isa na naman. And then, lecture na naman tayo din for the other topics. Okay? Hindi. That's your homework. Kung depende sa inyo, gawin nyo hindi. Basta ang importante sa akin, pag nag-quiz kayo, makuha nyo yung sana. Kaso, ayaw naman. Ngayon sana yun.
Smelly, yes.
Ha?
Species.
Dito rin lang. Kailan po tayo mag-meet ulit?
Ano yan?
Hindi. Okay.
Ang data yung nasa baba. Ha? White, green, legs. Ano yan? Legs. Smelly, yes. Species, MH. Ano yan? MH? Ano yan na ano? Manok. Chicken.
Diba? Meron na kayo idea paano siya ginagawa?
Yes, sir. O tayo daw.
Actually guys, if you are going to have this thing, you are now going into something like machine learning. You are starting machine learning and this is the foundation of machine learning.
Kasi H.
Kung ano nila ang
Say
ito,
H.
kung tinatawag natin ang sentiment.
Kasi H. Or yan. Species.
Problem, you can use space classifier. Plan? Pero yun nga lang,
May tatlong
kung gusto mo talaga ng medyo accurate pa, you go to other algorithms. This one is basic algorithm, which is very good. But if you're going to compare it to other algorithms, mas maganda yun. Yun nga lang, mas complex din siya. No? But we're going there. Pero hindi siguro natin matakal ngayon, probably in the next subject na meron pa ako subject sa inyo regarding this one. No? Alright? So I hope you guys understand this and prepare for the quiz. So yun lang. Thank you so much. See you.
Sa H. M. Sa M o H.
Wait lang, wala akong nakuha na
Attendance, sir.
Kasi I thought, ano talaga tayo, mag-quiz tayo ngayon. So can I have attendance?
Oh, Biber.
Pwede, yung na lang. Okay, can you, ha? Sino pa rin absent? Alam mo? Ay, sulat mo na lang ha. Lawrence, Tommy, Tommy. Sino pa? Omar. Sino pa? Ini? Labor, Omar.
Durulan.
Yay! Ah, game developer oh.
Shish. Game
Game dev. Game developer.
Ha?
Game dev.
Ay, ate. Ay, di ko mag-hindi. May kinabang lang.
RPH ang unod. About RPH yung game niya. Ah. Lapo-lapo history ba? Ay, uy. Kuha nila Magellan ba? May hadja. Eskwelahan ni May hadja.